manager of housing services at the Harlem Community Justice Center. Our program aims to help tenants resolve housing issues, either to avoid litigation, avoid being sued in court, or to proactively file a case if that's in their best interest, and access services and knowledge that can empower them to keep their homes. Our program was located in the Harlem Housing Court, and we're receiving referrals directly from a presiding judge, as well as having a flow of clients that would walk in because word of mouth had spread that you could go to the Justice Center for help with housing issues. Since the pandemic, our courthouse has been closed. We've lost access to the walk-in clientele and the referrals from the judge, and we've really had to work to kind of find tenants that are in need and become more accessible to the community now that we've lost our physical space. We've been hosting pop-up events at tenant association offices. We now offer 3 a month. Tenants can make an appointment to come see us. We keep social distancing and keep the environment as safe as possible, which obviously limits how many people we can see. But we've been able to start offering in-person services, as a way to reach tenants. Because in East Harlem, people aren't computer savvy or connected to the internet in a way that they can find us, and that we need to come find them. We've also been using a texting service to reach tenants. We texted 800 tenants last month, and we started providing virtual workshops in lieu of the in-person workshops so that we can prepare tenants for how to resolve housing issues now and not when courts reopen and they end up in court, which we're trying to avoid if at all possible. So we've been thinking about kind of ways to reach tenants where they are, provide them services directly, especially in this time where as many as 1 in 4 New Yorkers owe rent, and people are fearful of what's going to happen to them when courts reopen at full volume. We've learned that building out this community network takes a sustained effort. We can't wait for people to come to us. We need to go find them. And I'm excited that we now have this infrastructure that we can use in the next year to be more embedded in our community, be more accessible to those in need. And I'm excited we'll be able to do that even once our court reopens and things start returning to normal, that we'll have these connections and these relationships that help us find those that need our assistance.